The jungle is an amazing place to be. Oh wait, we're at the beach, we're not the jungle. Sweet. Well, we're at the beach, and it's pretty empty where we're at, which is pretty great. So, all things social distancing, feeling pretty good. And for once, it's sunny in Oregon at the beach, which never happens. So Dottie, we found fish, we found anemones and starfish and little fishies. I don't know what they're called. But there's little black ones, little clear ones.
Let's go on this.
Let's go on the sand. Oregon tide pools. Is there anything better? I don't think so. Oh yeah. Ready to run? Whee! Who's gonna be carrying Dottie all the way up? That's the real question. We're almost to the stairs, which, in case you don't know, is how many? Did we count one time?
180 stairs.
180 stairs. You ready to climb 180 stairs, Dottie? Do we have a long way to go, Dottie? Are you getting tired? Oh, good. Me either. Are we there? I'm supposed to ask that. Yeah, we're there?
Yeah.
No, we're not. Oh, we're so close though, Dottie. Was it hard or was it easy? Easy. Of course it was. After that, we found out that my mom and dad were in town, so we headed to the next beach next to the Nordic Motel. Bye guys.
Bye.
Say bye everybody. Bye. Well, that was fun. An unplanned trip where we all came out here. It was great. Got to see the cousins. Got to see Nana. Got to see Gaga. And most importantly, we got Dottie back on the beach, which she loves. Goodbye, Oregon Coast. We love you. You're the best.